Hello guys, in this video if you are receiving message like this, you have installed the Nintendo Switch version of Fortnite. To play Fortnite, please install the Nintendo Switch 2 versions. Press B, okay, to Fortnite on the Nintendo eShop where you can download. So simple bro, we need to download it from Nintendo eShop. We should not use it from game cards. So go to home screen, okay, do not download the Fortnite in Nintendo Switch 2 through game card, okay, you will be getting error. So if you are trying to download from this game card, you will be getting error. What I am going to do is I am going to open it on Nintendo eShop. Before that, I just want to close it and go to Nintendo eShop. Okay, you need to provide your user ID and password. And here directly go to download Fortnite. Search. Okay, super cool. So you need to download this Switch 2 Fortnite, not Switch 1. So download this Switch 2, free download. So here, scroll down, free download. That's it, friends. Automatically it will be downloaded. It is in the home menu now. So that's it, friends. This is the way you can download Fortnite on your Nintendo Switch 2. So once downloaded, you will be able to play. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put comments and feedback in media forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care.